Can you hear me now? Hello, hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir. Now, yeah. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also doing great, actually, fit as a fiddle. Thank you for asking.
Okay, I just closed the light because it was just irritating me. So yeah. Okay, so
Yes, yes.
how how is your English learning going on?
Yes, my English is going good, actually. Yes, as usual, I can say. Yes, little bit sometimes nowadays holidays going on, so sometimes little bit hectic day. Sometimes I do not do practice. Sometimes I do practice. Yeah,
Holidays like
you are not there clear. Why?
you are sorry?
Your side, you are clear there.
Yes.
Okay then.
Yeah, I was
Wanted to
saying
say.
you are working, I mean, so are you working, I mean?
What is working?
I mean, do you have any job or something like that? As you mentioned, like
Yes, yes.
holidays going on.
Yeah, I have job, but my job is very small. No, I told you so many times. Yes.
Actually, I forgot, like you are teacher, right?
Yes. No, no, I'm not teacher.
Okay.
No. My job
What's
is baby caretaker.
okay,
Do you
okay,
know
got
baby caretaker? Yeah.
okay, yeah, I got it. Okay. I guess you
Yes,
told
yes.
me earlier, but I forgot it. But okay, let's
Yes.
just yeah.
Obviously, nowadays you are speaking so many ladies, so maybe that's why you forgot.
There are a lot of
Yeah.
like to whom I talk, so usually I forgot, but I still remember because the first video I made with you, so I still remember that time, and I still remember you.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Okay.
For today, do you have any topic like for English related to English, or do you want to have any casual conversation?
Anything. If you have any topics, so you can. If I'm able to explain topics, so I will explain.
Let's just
I will try
discuss
my
about
best.
your job. Like you told me, you are baby taker, like right? So I wanted
Yes.
to know like what are the difficulties and challenges you usually face in your job? So what do you think, like how can you improve your job environment and everything like that?
Yes, sir. Actually, that is baby. Baby is another person baby. So, so we have to be careful while taking care. Yes, very careful because our baby that time it's okay. Our baby, so it's okay. But other baby, so we have to careful very much. So I faced some not difficulty because I uh, I was thinking this is means child and I consider okay this is my baby because I'm also mother, so I caretaker that girl like my girl, my baby. So that's why I handled, and those are parents. Her parents is very nice, so that's why I didn't face any difficulty. So yeah, yes,
I mean, in your profession, like you basically have to do some activities with the kids, right? So to keep
yes,
them
and
engaged, so
mostly
they
I
could,
like. Yes,
yeah.
mostly
So
I like a child very much. So I like play with child so much. So that's why yes, I like that job also.
I mean, like, what type of games do you play with children? I mean, like that.
Hmm. When she was child, so I play with her inside door game. Small means small kids game. Now I forgot. I think that is game. But outside game also small kids. Sometimes I took her in park. Yes, park. So there I play with her. That in park is very easy game because there in park there's some activities, some means swings and seesaw, everything available. So it's okay. But if I want to play with her in ground, so there I have to play badminton, small kids badminton and football. So many games. Sometimes when she going to grown up 3 years old and 4 years, so I played with her hide and seek and land and water and at home Play-Doh with Play-Doh and do you know Play-Doh?
No, I don't know. What is that game?
Play-Doh means mud, colorful mud like
Okay, okay. Just to put some
Play-Doh.
colors in the mud, right?
And
In
then
the sand.
yes, yes, and colorful, and then we will make something dishes means some food we were make some food that is play-doh, so because of that is mud, no, like, so that's why. And some
It's a.
some sitting. Yes.
I am saying it's a food.
Food.
Yeah. I mean,
No, that is,
that is just a game, right?
sand
Okay,
correct.
okay, got it.
Game, yes, game,
Okay, okay.
game. Yes, yes.
I just have one question. Let's say there is one children who start crying, right? Who wanted to meet him or her parents. So what you usually do? Let's say there is one kid who start like crying. So what you will do?
Hmm. Yes, first of all, I means play with her something, and otherwise, if there were any game, and she likes so much, so I would like to play that game with her. If she do not understand, she can't, she doesn't understand, means she not able to play, so doesn't able, yeah, play, so I would like to roam here and there because small baby, they couldn't understand, no, so I like to roam, uh, put, how can I say, put her, no, and carry her. How can English, actually I don't know how can you say, but roam here and there and show her outside what is there. So that is thing I would like, because uh, when she was child small, 3 years, 2 years. So at that time I doesn't have a mobile. Sorry, I didn't have a mobile or any iPad, nothing. So that's why I did that thing. So that's why.
Yeah, that,
Yes. Nowadays, mobile and laptop, camera, phone, means iPad. So if children crying, so the mothers or some people, they are trying to show something in iPad there. But I didn't do that thing. Yes.
yeah, because these days, like kids, they are more advanced. They wanted to have mobile phones so they can watch something
Mm.
on there. Maybe they start playing games on mobile phone. But in
Yes,
past,
yes.
maybe
I
in
didn't.
over time,
And
there was.
actually, yes, yes. I would like to say one thing. Difficulty means I faced some difficulty. I mean, not yeah, difficulty I can say. When I had a mobile, but that was not a screenshot. Means not how can smartphone, small, Nokia, like that small phone.
Okay.
So, but yeah, I always put my phone silent mode all for 24 hours. Only evening time 1 hour I get 1 hour evening time. That time I only called my children because I have also children, 2 children, and my children was small, 8 years and 10 years. So they are staying they were staying in hometown. Now also they are staying hometown. So I have to I had to call them. So evening time I call them only. And but so my phone was always silent mode. So my some relative they dead, and anyhow I have to go there. But means 6 7 hour my phone silent, so I couldn't get that what means who's those relative person death, and who's those people calling me. People was calling me because I have to go there. That I had to go there. That's why. But I didn't. Uh, I was not able to took that call because my phone was silent and I was not able to go there. Yeah, I can say.
That's great. So I guess, yeah, we can wrap up this session. We can have another session maybe later on at
Yes,
any
yes,
time. So because I
yes,
have
yes.
something to do later on. So yeah, thank you for your time
Yeah,
and
yeah.
thank you for sharing your job like
Yes,
activities. Yeah, I guess it's really good for you. Like this job,
yes.
many ladies they enjoy that.
Yes, yes. I make sure you understand what I said. Then thank you so much. You
Yeah,
connecting me
we try
again.
to understand that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye.
Okay. 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 Bye.